Little update video on the Goblin. I have made some progress. Brake lines, the clutch, it's all bled, it's all good. I did have a little leak down on this guy here, but luckily I didn't have to pull the engine and the transmission out. I was able to replace the seal right while it was in the car, so that was good. I had trouble finding some stuff on the wiring for the lights. Like, it's all there, it's just I didn't see any pictures, you know? Maybe I'm just so used to pictures that having it written out in front of me. But the whites are ground, and yeah, but got it all together, it's all tested. This is gonna go on this. I just put the hood on, test fit it, and see where I could hide the wires, and they're actually gonna hide best on the outside here. So everything is tested, working. Got my turn signals, got my headlights. Yeah, even got brake lights, huh? Figured I would wait on I do have the mount for the license plate with the lights, but I figured I'd hold off on that until it actually had a plate. Wiring's here for it. I did put the exhaust on, thinking I'll throw the e-brake in it today and start putting the shift linkage in, but first I gotta solder and clean up these wires. But once the shift linkage is in it, it's gonna be ready for a test drive. So it was just too hot to work on it last week, and then went up north with the dredge for a couple days, so really didn't get any progress on this last week. So I gotta do the battery tie down. That'd be a good thing to do before I go too much further. Yeah. Well, Goblin 273 is coming along. And I gotta put something on the hose here to hold it out away from the belts. It doesn't touch, but it's really close. That, and I want to mount this up just a little bit higher. The way it's mounted down there, it keeps tipping down into the fuel lines and stuff. Fuel fittings. I lined it up this week also, just clamped some plywood to it and measured it just so that it's good enough to move around the yard without going sideways. Yeah. I suppose I ought to give it a vacuum. So a little update. I know I watch everybody else's videos, constantly pausing, going slow to see how they did stuff, so here's another video for people doing that. Hopefully the next video will be of it driving around the yard. Till next time.